This is Yudah Leib in the morning, and he's on day 45 today. And he's watching his merry-go-round mobile, and it makes him happy. And look how he has a light in his eyes and how he's alert. And he's watching it very intently. Now he's looking at the iPad. And he smiles. Now he's looking at me. We love him so much. He's a happy, cute baby. And we hope that he grows up to be a happy person. To always look at the good in things. And always try to find a way to be positive. Kicks his legs. He's very excited at the toy. His cute little legs kicking.
Bless you. Bless you.
Now he's going to look at it. And he's going to get excited. And he's going to start kicking his legs again.
I wonder which of them he likes the best, the flower, the bee, or the butterfly.
But he smiles and gets so excited. Kicking, kicking, kicking. And it's adorable. I love him so much. I was focusing on the toy. I was watching it. I was watching the turn. I was looking at the iPad. Now he's back looking at the toy. Now he's kicking around.
I think he likes the flower the most.